When production demands more, you need equipment that delivers. The DuraPress 14 finish roller is built for performance and efficiency, engineered to keep pace with high-demand shops day after day. At its core, a rugged steel frame and precision drive system provide years of dependable operation. But power is only half the story. The DuraPress 14 is also designed for simplicity. With clear access points and fewer moving parts, maintenance is quick, easy, and frustration-free. That means less downtime and more productivity where it matters most. Operators benefit from simple roll height adjustments and an integrated e-stop system with interlock, prioritizing safety while keeping efficiency high. Powered by a 10 horsepower motor with soft start VFD technology, the DuraPress 14 runs smooth and consistent, producing at speeds of up to 90 feet per minute. Need more capacity? The system can be built to custom widths up to 16 feet, making it ready to grow with your operation. And with the industry's first removable shaft replacement system, servicing rolls has never been faster, setting a new standard in serviceability and productivity. Durable, efficient, scalable, safe. The DuraPress 14 finish roller isn't just built for today, it's built to carry your shop into the future.